Good morning. Today, Henry XL unboxing. Let's see what this thing's like. Okay. Knife on. Have a look. Instructions. Bag. Keep away from children, may cause suffocation. No kids in here. Hoovering attachment. We'll just chuck that down. Hose. Is it longer than the smaller version? No, I think it's about the same. Okay. What else have we got in the box? Attachment. Second attachment. Swan neck attachment. Here she is. Okay. Probably very self-explanatory. Doesn't take a genius to work out how this goes together. Hose in the nose. And cross thread it like I am. Oh, it's a good bit of kit. It's made from some real good solid plastic. That it's not fragile and brittle like some of them, not like the other one I brought, the Titan from Screwfix. Absolutely useless. Okay. It says that this is let's see, 15 litre compared to the 6 litre, the standard version. It's got a 31.4 metre hoovering radius. So let's see. It's already got a bag in it. Have they supplied any more bags? One bag. Not too happy about that. Not for the price. This came in at £159 from Screwfix. So I would have thought that they've got a few more bags for that price, but not to worry. And it does look like the bags are going to be a special order, because I asked them at Screwfix and they said they don't do the bags. They sell the hoover but they don't do the bags for it, so not too happy about that neither. If you go and sell product, you sell all the bits to go with it, so you can get it all from the same place, in my opinion. There we go. I'll just show you this. Bags, bigger bags. All you do, red attachment over there, ready for action. So I'll just turn this over so you can see. Bag pops in and there we go. that is the bag in. Okay. Let's put the filter in. We'll give this bad boy a whirl. Top on. There we go. Just plug him in over there, over here. Small attachment on, I suppose, first, and then we'll go for the larger attachment. Probably not going to need this for the workshop unless I'm doing the floors. It's more for my use. It's going to be used for the lathe, cleaning around the lathe. And this is going to be the nice soft attachment that I use for around the chuck and the lathe bed itself. So let's have a look. Probably not going to use that for this part. It seems like it's restricting it a bit. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Let's have a look. That to me seems like a good bit of kit. I would have liked it to be a touch more powerful, but what can you ask for £159? So we'll construct it all the way from start to finish. Attachment just slots in, second attachment, third attachment. That's plenty long enough for the floor, and that got 2 sections, I would imagine, one for carpet and one for laminate floor. Right, so plenty of stuff on it now, oh yeah. Very good. So you also get, obviously the brush attachment I've already shown, you get the straight attachment, you get another add-on attachment, the brush, the small one, which I would presume would be for stairs and settees, curtains, whatever you fancy. But that's a good little tool. We'll use that one in the house. I have actually got one of these for the house. So yeah, that's why I've gone with this one again. Very good. So, and that is a review of the Henry Pneumatic XL Plus. All the instructions, it does show you. I didn't go through the instructions because it's pretty self-explanatory. Idiots guide, really. Which it does show here a place specifically on the back of the Henry to put all the different attachments, which I think is quite good. So I'm just going to quickly have a look at that. So if we go to the back, I'm going to take one of these attachments off because I'm going to be in the roof space else. So I'll take that one off just for demonstration purposes of how it's going to fit into there. So that clips into the back like so. We also have a little place for that attachment. Lovely, I like that. One for that attachment, one for that attachment, and last but not least, where's it gone? And that attachment. So you're never going to lose any of your bits, and they're always at hand when you need them. I think that is a very good little Hoover for the workshop. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you've got any experience with this Hoover, how good it is, how long it's lasted. But like I say, we've had one in the house for quite a while. Pretty good, does the job. That's the reason why I've gone for it. So yeah, and that's a review. That's an unboxing of the Henry XL. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me in the future. See you later.